It's good to be back in this giveaway with a huge giveaway. I was out for about a month, but it's been 2 months since our last giveaway, so it's good to be back with a big one. The biggest prize today is worth probably 400 ADA. The overall prizes are probably worth around 800 ADA, so and we have in total 100 prizes, so I already launched the first part where I have to download the ledger, basically all the info, current state of the blockchain. So let me switch back to here. So, okay. Yeah, again, sorry about the mic. I got a new one and apparently it's not working, so I'll have to see once this is done what went wrong. So in the meantime, let's see how this goes. So this process takes a few minutes, can take sometimes 10 minutes. So, and here I will minimize myself. And in the meantime, I showed those NFTs that are up for grabs. So actually the first prize is as I said, the Hype Skull, and they are now, this is the NFT, and they are now launching the Vapor stage, where the winner will basically, once they have the NFT on the 9th of February, so in 3 days, they will be able to claim 2 tokens for this NFT that they have, and then they will be able to create 2 new NFTs for each of those tokens. They will be able to exchange those 2 tokens for 2 other NFTs that look similar to that, but if I go to the Hype Skull website, it kind of explains what it does. So you'll have 3 different random ones. You can have 3 different classes of them, and also different types. So you have this adrenaline here, so it will be the same skull that you see there, but for adrenaline, oh no, that's the wrong thing. I think it's here. For adrenaline, it's gonna have this goo coming out of the eyes. Then you have the punks, which are probably my favorite. They have 3 completely different ones. You have a Mahawk, and then you have a hairy dude, and then you have like spikes coming out of the and glasses, and then there's many different types. So this is really cool, and I think this was inspired by the apes, because the apes have the mutant version. So here we have something similar. So with this skull, you'll be able to create 2 more skulls that are even cooler than this one, and I think this one is really epic looking. Other than that, we have these resurrection tokens, as I said, as I played there for a while. I think it must have looped. So we have 3 of those up for grabs. We have these Ada cards. So I have a bunch of these that I'm still giving away. These are from Ada Folio, so if you want to check them out. But I think they actually discontinuing the project. But still, I think these are cool tokens of Cardano history. There's not... So Queens made thousands of blocks at this stage, so we don't have a card for each block, but for select blocks. And this one is actually rare, this one is rare, and this one is just common. And then we have these HOSKY verses. So these are nothing to do with HOSKY, the token. I believe, they're just kind of inspired by. I got them for free, so why not give them away? Then we have this other one called HOSKY Hostler. Yes, this one. So this one was given to me by one of the Cardano or Queen Ada members. He's an NFT artist. I believe he's involved in one of the NFT projects now. I tagged him here, so let me see. Proclivity NFT, and he has his own NFTs as well that he gives away, or sells actually, yeah. I've given away one of his NFTs before, so he's a cool dude. So check him out and shout out to him. And then we have the HOSKY verses. And last but not least, we have the HOSKY token. We gave away already, I believe, over 50 different delegators got some HOSKY token millions from us, so they're already millionaires. And so we're gonna try and make more millionaires at Queen Ada. It ain't much, but it's honest work. So let's see how this is going. So this is still going. So once that's done, the next part is much faster and quicker. So we have any? Okay, good. Yeah, again, apologize about the audio. So I got this new mic. I don't know if it will show up. Yeah, but yeah, it just didn't work as intended. So, as I mentioned as well, this is a work in progress. This software that I have, I'm going to switch it up completely. That in the future it's not gonna be. I won't need to probably download this Ledger JSON every time. So it's gonna so the giveaways probably will be shorter. Instead, I will switch to an API that basically I can just pull down the information that I need from an API. So it should be a lot faster. And the new features that I want to work on is I want to include loyalty into this. So basically the idea is if you've staked with Ada and Queen Ada for a year, then whatever tickets you usually would get, so for, how it works is you have a certain amount of Ada delegated to Queen. That amount is square rooted, so that's the number of tickets that you usually have. So now with this loyalty component, what's going to happen is every year is going to add an extra 100% to what your usual usual number of tickets is. So yeah, the longer you are with Queen, the better chance you have, and it doesn't have to be consecutive, so you can come and go as you like. So if you're happy to come back to Queen, then yeah, we're happy to give back in some way. So let's see. It's still going. Yeah, it takes time. Yeah, the node these days is yeah, overloaded with work. So, but it should complete, because I did it earlier and I did a test, so it will complete in a couple of minutes probably. Other than that, let's see. So I've shared some stuff on the Queen Ada staking group or Queen Ada gang. So if you haven't joined our Telegram, I highly recommend it. There's a lot of discussions going on. There's a lot of sharing of information, even new projects, stuff like that. And it's not all by me. The community is active, so I recommend it. So how you find it is if you go to the Queen Ada Twitter, then you go. There's a link tree here, and then from here you can find the Telegram group, Queen Ada Gang. And here you'll be able to join the group. So here actually this is, let me see once again. Okay, so it finished. So let me run the command. I had it ready somewhere here. So usually what I also show is that we are on the right Git repository and version. So this repository is public, so you can actually check it out if you want. And I do this just so you can so you can check, so you know that the giveaways are not rigged. So so yeah, we are on this feature SQRT, and this is the hash of the latest commit. So if I go back to that GitHub, and I switch to this feature SQRT branch. If I control F and search, here it is. Here's the hash. So I'm on the latest commit. So now I have to run the actual command to get the winners. So let me just go through it. We have the ledger JSON, we have the pool. I'm excluding my own addresses that I don't want, obviously, to win this giveaway. The winners, we're gonna have 100. The mint tokens, so the number of ADA that you have to have as a minimum is 1. This is a square root flag, S, and then we want unique winners. We don't want a winner to win more than one prize. So that's it. Let's run this command. So yeah, other than the queen stuff, yeah, in the Telegram I shared some cool stuff that I saw in Brazil. I was there for 4 weeks, so here you can check out like the just spectacular views that I saw of waterfalls and stuff. I didn't share too much, but some stuff, it's really worth sharing. Like this view alone is just unbelievable. It's not really rendering that well, but yeah. So I mean, it's mostly Queen Ada related, but sometimes we share some other stuff. So let's see how it's going. Now the extra rule that I added, so the rules are the same as before. So let me, it's on pages. It's on Twitter actually. So if I go back, there was one extra rule that I added, and that is that the first prize will have to be claimed by sending 2 ADA to an address that I will share. So this is in order that basically the delegator that wins this is paying attention to what we're doing, that they know what NFTs are, etc. Because I'm pretty sure that before some of the delegators, there's one particular case that a delegator won a unsigned algorithm, which is worth like almost 1,000 ADA at this stage. So they won like multiple NFTs from us, and then I'm pretty sure they must be operated by like a firm or something, you know, so they're not really paying attention to what we're doing, and we want really for these prizes to mean something. So for that reason, yeah, I made this rule that the most valuable prize goes to a delegator that's paying attention, and I will share instructions on how to check if it's you, because it's not going to be an address that I'm going to share, it's going to be a staking address. So here the program is going through the ledger, and current epoch, this is published from this, this is found inside that ledger JSON that we pulled down earlier. So this is correct, we are currently on 319. Then we have these addresses that we're skipping, and then it should come a list of winners. Now it's 100 winners, so last time it took me, I think, a week, maybe 2 weeks to send the prizes. Now I have the tools ready to go, but I would like to find a way to send it in one or a few transactions, not one transaction per, how is it, what happened? Okay, not one transaction per prize, because the fees then add up quite a bit. So yeah, but I will probably manage to do it yeah, next week. So, and then by the next one I hope to get those features, especially the loyalty feature, in place for the next giveaway, which probably will be in about a month. Yeah, but let's see. when I ran this test earlier, it's not showing. Oh, so there you go. So well, this is a list of just every delegator currently in Queen. So we ignore that, and then we have the winners. So congratulations! Wow. So I think the first prize is going to a person that only has 49 ADA. So congratulations. 0.01 chance, and then we have 17,000, 40,000. Let me see how many prizes. 86. So 14. Yeah, I think 14 first prizes are NFTs, and then the other ones are Huskies. So we have all kinds of small addresses. In ADA terms, it's 49, 17,000, 40,000. This one's 200,000, is it, or 2 million? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this 2 million. So 2 million didn't get the one spot; it got 4. Then we have 10,000, 100,000, 20, 265,000, 2,000, yeah, 64, 8,000. So as you can see, it's much more random than before. Before it used to be that the whales would just have a super great chance of winning every time. Now it seems like small guys have a way better chance of winning stuff, and I think it's great. So thank you guys, thank you for joining. If there's nothing else, we'll end it there. I will share the instructions. Basically how it's gonna be is I'm gonna publish this address. So here we have this address, right? What you will need to do is, say you have an address. So for example, if I have let me go to Brave browser. Okay, so if I have an address, for example, I have this address here. What you need to do is you need to go to cardanoscan.io. Well, first of all, the winner has 49 ADA only in their account. So if you have more, it's probably not you for the first prize. If you do have around that, then you need to go to Cardanoscan. You need to paste your address and search. Once you find it, I will share the staking address that you need to look up, and then you need to Control F, and where is it? Yeah, it's here, and then Control V. And if nothing is coming up, that's not you. If it does find it, it should be this address here. So yeah, and the rule was that if you fail to claim this prize, I said in was it 3 epochs? For 3 epochs, yeah. So if you fail to do it in 3 epochs, the prize will be redrawn at the following giveaway. So I will probably leave it until the next giveaway. If you fail to claim the prize, then I'm going to give it away to another person that's paying attention. So you will have probably 4 weeks. So congratulations, to 100 of you. You will get the prizes sent automatically. You won't need to do anything apart from this person here. So thank you. This has been fun as usual, and we'll see you at the next one. Cheers.